Hi guys, Gary here from Cracked Blade Miniatures. This video is going to be one of the most under talked about and probably assumed knowledge pieces of the whole miniature building and painting, and that's actually getting them off the sprues. A couple of do's and don'ts, but as I've always said, this is how I do it. This is not how everybody should do it, but this is just what I like to do, and hopefully you can glean some information from that. Just to introduce you, Tommy Krabby, future YouTuber. Say hi, Tommy.
Hi.
He's also done a few models himself. He's starting to come on. If I can get him off Minecraft or Roblox for more than 10 minutes, I'm sure we could get more painting done. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video, and if you just learn one little thing, then it was all worth it. Don't forget, it's all about us learning together. Take care. Enjoy the video. So this is a simple spring remove. Now remember, when you're clipping off from the sprue base itself, you want to cut proud and leave a little bit on the model, and that way you can trim it back more accurately and you're not stressing the plastic that you're trying to cut. That way you should get a much cleaner, smoother cut. Then trim off very gently any excess, whether this is with a blunt knife like I'm using here. Also look, and this is very crucial, mold lines. Now I've got a mold line remover, but again, the back of your knife or anything like that will work perfectly to remove mold lines. There is nothing that will show up worse on a paint finish than those mold lines. A little bit of light sanding, whatever you need to do. Just remember, the plastic is generally quite soft and doesn't require any significant amount of work to get rid of it. But again, mold lines. Now I'm just going to take off the other part here. Again, cutting proud, leaving a little bit on there. Once I've got that removed, rinse and repeat. Now this is the important bit, test fitting. There's nothing worse than you cutting away, gluing, diving in and realizing how they fit. Once you're happy on how they fit together, a little bit of glue. Now I use the Tamora extra fine glue because what I do like is, if you're a little bit heavy with it, you can push it together and it'll produce a little bit of proudness. The way the Tamiya one works is that it actually melts the plastic a little bit, and then you can go back, as you can just see there's a little bit just sticking out, and that could be trimmed back for a nice smooth finish. Once you're happy with that, again, a little bit more glue. Make sure you know where it's going, how it's fitting, and fit it. I have to be honest, looking a little clumsy here. That's because I've got a camera in front of me and I couldn't quite see what I was doing. Obviously, under normal circumstances that would fit a lot easier. Nobody said I was perfect. And again, with the Tamiya, it produces a nice smooth finish. Also with that you can produce sprue goo, but that's a whole different thing.